Let's be honest, folks. Nobody bought a pool to spend their weekends scrubbing it. The 2026 lineup of robotic pool cleaners ain't your grandpa's vacuum. These things are straight-up smart computers that crawl. They've gone cordless, they've got AI, and some of them even moonlight as skimmers. Here's the deep dive on the units that are actually worth your hard-earned cash this year. Let me tell you, the future is clean, and you barely gotta lift a finger. If your pool is your pride and joy, and you want the absolute best tech on the market, stop scrolling right here, because the X1 Pro Max is the big gun. It's an ecosystem, not just a vacuum. The major game changer is its all-in-one robot and skimmer feature. It handles the floor, walls, and waterline, and when it's done, it floats around cleaning the surface like a dedicated skimmer, letting you retire your pool net for good. With a monstrous 8,502 GPH suction rating, this thing has commercial-grade power that'll suck up gravel, silt, and anything in between. Plus, AIPER finally fixed the underwater connectivity issue by including underwater Wi-Fi with Hydrocom Pure, meaning you can check the robot's status or tell it what to do from your lounge chair without Bluetooth dropping out. Want to see the X1 Pro Max in action? Check the link in the description. AIPER took a wildly popular model and focused the upgrades squarely on making sure that hard-to-reach waterline is spotless. This model features dedicated wall and waterline cleaning, using specialized traction and brush patterns to actually scrub that scum line instead of just driving past it, saving you manual labor. For water quality, it's a big win with the double filtration system, which uses one filter for big debris, leaves, and a secondary ultrafine filter for microscopic particles, pollen, dust, guaranteeing crystal clear water. The fact that it comes with app support and OTA upgrade is crucial too, because over-the-air updates mean your robot will literally get smarter over time as they tweak the navigation algorithms. That's future-proof cleaning I can get behind. Looking to score the upgraded Scuba S1? Head over and check the link in the description. The Hydro 3S is your new best friend if your pool is massive or if you just hate the hassle of constant charging, as it's built specifically for the long haul. The headline here is the crazy 300 minutes, 5 hours in eco mode, which is nuts considering most competitors tap out around 3 hours. If you've got an Olympic-sized lagoon, this robot goes the distance on a single charge. It's also incredibly efficient, utilizing Smart Navigation S-Path to systematically map where it's been, ensuring it doesn't waste battery cleaning the same spot twice. And you won't be constantly emptying it, thanks to the robust 4.1-liter filter basket and 4 versatile cleaning modes, letting you pick a quick skim or a deep scrub depending on how messy the weekend was. To grab the Poolmate Hydro 3S, be sure to check the link in the description. Sometimes the best defense is a good defense, and this bundle gives you a dynamic duo that attacks the pool from both the top and the bottom simultaneously. The package includes the AIPER Scuba S1, our reliable wall-climbing workhorse, for the floors and walls, paired with the Surfer S2 solar skimmer, which floats on the surface, powered by the sun, constantly grabbing debris like leaves, bugs, and pollen before they even have a chance to sink. The beauty of this pairing is the energy independence of the Surfer S2. Since it runs on solar power, the constant surface skimming job costs you absolutely nothing to run, making it the ultimate strategic, zero-energy maintenance tool. For the best two-pronged attack on pool mess, check the link in the description for the AIPER bundle. The WYBOT S2 is engineered for the truly sprawling aquatic paradise. If your neighbor's pool looks tiny next to yours, this is the bot you need. It boasts huge coverage, built to clean pools up to a whopping 3,229 square feet, which saves you the money and hassle of needing multiple robots for vast in-ground surfaces. That massive coverage is supported by a solid 210 minutes runtime combined with intelligent smart navigation, meaning it can completely sanitize that huge area on a single charge. You literally just set it and forget it. While wall climbing is standard, the WYBOT excels at maintaining traction on slicker surfaces and comes with a reliable dual filtration system, making it the perfect heavy-duty option for large, smooth finish pools. Ready for massive cleaning power? Don't forget to check the link in the description for the WYBOT S2. If you want the latest tech and the all-in-one feature, you grab the AIPER Scuba S1 Pro Max. If you have a huge pool and prioritize maximum runtime, the Poolmate Hydro 3S is the undisputed champion. If you are tired of skimming and want automated surface cleaning, the AIPER bundle is a smart, strategic buy. Seriously, folks, ditch the manual labor this summer. The best deals on all these amazing 2026 pool robots are waiting for you. Go ahead and check the link in the description below.